Hi guys and welcome back for another video. This video is an unboxing of the iRig Mic Lav, which is a clip-on microphone for mobile devices. Unfortunately tonight I only have time to do the unboxing, but I will post a review tomorrow. The iRig Mic Lav is a clip-on microphone for mobile devices and which can be used on iOS and Android. It has high quality omni-directional condenser capsule, can connect to your headphones, allows connection of two iRig mics to a single device, and includes a foam pop shield, but works with many apps such as iRig Recorder, Easy Voice and VocaLive, among others. The iRig mic comes in a white box with the company name and logo and product name and pictures and other details about the microphone around it. On the sides you get a list of what all it comes with and what apps it works with some more information about it on the back. Inside you get a black box with all the information, including where to register your mic and how to set it up, and with the iRig mic in a small bag underneath. Everything you'll need to clip it to yourself is also included, but I'll explain the setup tomorrow when I post a review. But it is worth mentioning that if you have the new iPad Pro, you will have to order a USB-C adapter, but you can get them for as cheap as £6 over Amazon. The iRig Mic Lav can be bought on Amazon for around £35,